Thinking about a career with Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools? Great choice! Let's take a quick tour of the CMS Careers page and show you all the tools and resources designed to help you find your future here. Starting at hiring.cmsk12.org from the top menu, click on Why Join CMS. This is your gateway to everything CMS has to offer, like competitive benefits, career development, and a strong support system for educators and staff. You'll find real employee stories, videos, and a snapshot of what it's like to be part of the CMS family. Whether you're an experienced educator, a recent graduate, or just exploring a new career path, there's a place for you here. Ready to look at open positions? Just click Open Positions to browse opportunities by role, location, or category. If you're ready to apply, you can click a direct link to the application that best suits the type of role you're looking for. Not sure where to begin? Use the Start the Conversation tool. It's a simple way to connect with a recruiter, ask questions, and get personalized guidance. No pressure, just support. You can click straight through to the application, share a video introduction with a CMS recruiter, or fill out a form and someone from our team will reach out to assist you. Once you click the direct application link, the process is quick and you can apply directly from that site. While you're exploring, don't miss the total rewards estimator on the pay and benefits page. This tool helps you see the full value of working in CMS, including salary, health benefits, retirement, contributions, and more. It's a powerful way to understand your potential compensation beyond a paycheck. After completing an application and applying for roles, principals and school hiring teams will be able to reach out and schedule interviews. Recruiters are standing by to assist with matching you in your dream job. Feel free to email CMS Recruitment at cms.k12.nc.us at any point in the process for additional support. So whether you're ready to apply or just starting your journey, the CMS Careers page has everything you need to take the next step. Visit hiring.cmsk12.org today and see why your future starts here.